Welcome to AI Innovation Online Podcast. I'm thrilled to guide you through building your first functional AI search agent using the power of Gemini 3 Pro and the Agent Development Kit. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create an intelligent agent that can search the web, process information, and provide helpful responses with transparent reasoning. This is a game changer for anyone interested in AI development, as we'll be using cutting-edge tools that make complex AI development accessible to beginners. By the end of this video, you'll have deployed your own AI agent and understand the complete development process from setup to deployment.
Today, we're building an AI search agent with Gemini 3 Pro and ADK. This comprehensive tutorial will take you through every step needed to create a functional agent that leverages Google's latest AI technology. We'll be using the Agent Development Kit to simplify the process, making it accessible even if you're new to AI development. Let's dive in.
Before we start coding, let's understand what we're building and the tools we'll use. An AI search agent is an autonomous system that can understand user queries, search for relevant information, and provide intelligent responses. We'll be using three key tools: Gemini 3 Pro, Google's advanced reasoning model; ADK, the Agent Development Kit that streamlines agent creation; and UV, a Python package manager for environment setup. Together, these tools create a powerful yet accessible development environment for building sophisticated AI agents. Let's begin with Phase 1, setting up our project environment. First, create an empty folder for your project, something like Gemini 3 Pro AI Agent, and open your terminal in that folder. Next, initialize the project using UV with the command UV init. If you don't have UV installed, check the description for installation instructions. Finally, install the required libraries with UV pip install, Google ADK, Google Generative AI. These two libraries are essential for our agent. The ADK library provides the framework, while the Generative AI library connects us to Gemini 3 Pro. Now for Phase 2, configuring our API key and activating the environment. First, navigate to Google AI Studio to retrieve your API key. Once you have it, export it as an environment variable with export Google API key equals your API key here, replacing the placeholder with your actual key. Finally, activate the virtual environment that Overt created for your project with source.venv/bin/activate. This isolates our dependencies and ensures a clean development environment. These steps ensure our agent can securely authenticate with Google services and run in the proper environment. Phase 3 is where the magic begins. We'll use ADK to create our agent scaffolding. Run the command ADK create your agent name, replacing your agent name with whatever you'd like to call your agent. ADK will instantly generate the entire file structure for you. When prompted to select a model, choose option 2 for Gemini 3 Pro. This scaffolding process is one of the biggest advantages of using ADK. It eliminates the need to manually create files and configurations, letting us focus on the actual agent logic. Now we're ready to code our AI search agent. Open your code editor and navigate to the generated agent.py file. First, remove all existing boilerplate code in the file. Then, copy the relevant code snippet from ADK's documentation, specifically the template found under Google Search Tool, and paste it into the now empty agent.py file. This template provides the basic structure for our search agent, including the necessary imports and class definition. We'll customize this in the next part to leverage Gemini 3 Pro's advanced capabilities. Let's make 3 critical upgrades to our agent. First, upgrade the model reference from Gemini 2.0 Flash to Gemini 3 Pro to access the advanced reasoning capabilities. Second, enhance the instructions by replacing the simple single-line instruction with a more detailed set, Specifically, instruct the agent to function as a helpful assistant, use the search tool, and cite its sources implicitly by providing answers clearly based on search results. Third, import the Asyncio library to handle asynchronous operations, which is essential for web-based agents. Finally, ensure the agent is explicitly provided with the Google search tool as its mechanism to interact with the real world. It's time for the exciting part, deploying our agent. Return to your terminal with the virtual environment still active and execute ADK deploy. This command packages your agent and deploys it to ADK Web, where you can access and interact with it. Use the provided link to access your agent and start interacting with it. Try a complex query like asking for horse riding lessons in your city. To understand how Gemini 3 Pro arrived at its answer, navigate to the Events tab in the ADK web interface. This reveals the model's internal chain of thought, showing you the multi-stage research plan it independently devised and executed, including specific web search queries it performed. Congratulations! You've successfully built and deployed your first AI search agent with Gemini 3 Pro and ADK. Let's recap what we've accomplished. We set up a development environment with You've, configured API access, used ADK to create agent scaffolding, customized our agent to leverage Gemini 3 Pro's advanced reasoning, and deployed it to a web interface. The Agent Development Kit acts like a standardized set of scaffolding and blueprints that allows developers to instantly construct a framework and immediately launch it onto a test pad, where they can observe the foundation's core mechanics working in real time. Thank you for joining me on this AI development journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to AI Innovation Online Podcast for more content on AI development. Share this video with others who might be interested in building AI agents, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future tutorials. We have exciting content coming up on advanced agent techniques, custom tool development, and integrating multiple AI models. Until next time, keep innovating with AI.